Hey everybody. Well, I did something. I know I got the back full of stuff, so I gotta clean it out. It's dirty. I ain't done much with it lately. I've been cleaning my truck up. Daily driver, so. Yeah. Halfway done. I got tail lights if you haven't seen them yet. Pretty sure everybody has. But, something a little bit different on it. Well, just get in a second. Need a little bit cleaning, but you know, ponies are about to be gone. I just gotta get shocks for the back, then I can get rid of these two shocks and springs. But check this out. Yeah, they're low, but look at these tires. You wouldn't fill them up either. But they hold air, so. I got this one cleaned up a little bit. I gotta go over it again. This was in the truck when I went through the car wash to clean my bed out. Yeah, check that out. They look pretty good. They poke out the back too far, so I gotta get, like I said, I gotta get the air shocks as the springs. I get them coming soon. This one I have to wash. I haven't washed it yet. But I'll post a picture of it with them on the front and the back. And I'll post a picture of the two back ones I have in the back of the truck. I take a picture before I go inside. I think they look good. Sorry I hadn't posted much lately. I've been doing stuff with the truck, getting it clean, getting it. Just hit 302,000 miles. I've been trying to take care of it a little bit. But it's still doing decent. Still a touch key. I still need the 4-barrel carburetor for the spacer. But if you have a decent 2 to 4-barrel spacer adapter, let me know. Because I have the intake and the chrome. Not chrome, but aluminum valve covers. But other than that, I've probably run a 2-barrel. I just want that intake on here. I like how it stick out just a little bit. Whoop, I have to do that now. Thanks to 606 Garage, Jason, I got a new transmission. Looks like rebuilt, all new seals. And the wheels, a drive shaft, and he's just hooking me up with all kinds of good stuff. Check out his channel. Like I said, it'll be tagged in the. Maybe he'll comment on this, and I'll post a link to his in the description. Check him out. He posts excellent content. Awesome shorts. Well, that don't sound right, but you know, short videos. Check him out. Catch y'all next time. Now I need one of them monster techs right here. Right, Folky? Alright, check out later.